Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is my weekly projects for scrapdivadesigns.com. This is her Instagram and YouTube. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from talented crafters using her dyes. I do have a discount code for you in case you'd like to use it. It's V10, that's VEE10. That'll save you 10% through the entire website. Let's go ahead and start off with this suitcase lip box. I created this box using her lip mini album die set as well as the alpha die set to create this charm here. I just love how this charm turned out. You can embellish it more and create something that would look so much more eye-catching than that. I just love how it turned out on the side of this box. I'm also using her shaker plates to add some fun lips and hearts to the sides of the box, as well as the handle. The handle was done freehand. I just eyeballed it and attached it to the box. So I'm also using some chain from Hobby Lobby as well as the double looped bow from ScrapDiva Designs. The flawless word is also a word die set from her shop. So the lip mini album also comes with these shaker lip gloss embellishments. I just love them. They're my absolute favorite for Valentine's right now. Aren't they cute? They're super cute. I did use the lip shaker plates to add those lips and then the word die sets as well from her shop. Everything is from her shop for this box. I just love it besides the charms. I love how it turned out. Oh, the heart shaker bits are from Amazon. I picked those up there. I will have that linked below. So such a cute little box to send some embellishments off. So next, let's see which one I will go for. I'm going for the banner. So I just love how these banners turned out. I'm using the alpha word dies to create these miniature banners. I'm also using a die from my stash to create the banner background. So the shape, the triangular shape. So as well as the shaker plates from ScrapDiva. Added some charms to it and you can create some banner embellishments. I just love it. One says hugs, the other says kiss, and another says XOXO. So that one was the hugs. Now let's go ahead and show you what the XOXO looks like. I am using the Simple Stories collection called Happy Hearts. I just love this collection. I picked it up last year. It came out last year and unfortunately I wasn't able to use it all, so I had so much of it on hand, decided to stick with this one. I did state that I was going to go for the new Simple Stories Valentine collection. However, I changed my mind and stayed with this one and I'm very happy I did. So this is the kiss one. I just love how it turned out. I love the hot pink, the pastel pink, and then the dark blue together. I think it's so eye-popping, as well as the sky blue with the dark blue and pink. It's so pretty to me. So I just put them in this little heart, well, not so little, but little heart acetate container that I picked up from Amazon. So those are the banners there. If you create these, they're so much fun to make. As soon as you see your works all finished, you can enjoy them. Okay, next is this heart card / tag. So this is versatile. You can make a card, you can make a tag, you can make a pocket to hold embellishments, and that's exactly what I did. I used it as a pocket to hold my cute embellishments. I just love how these heart ice creams turned out. I'm using her heart die that came with a die set to create that, as well as a rectangular die set for my stash. I will have that linked below. But the ice cream hearts are so cute. They were so inspired by the collection. There's a sticker in the collection that has a sticker of 3 layered hearts on a cone. So I thought it was so cute as an embellishment and decided to go ahead and do that and put it in these pockets. I think they came out cute. I love how the hearts are sticking out and it just looks so pretty. It's so pretty to me. Such eye candy. It just looks Just the colors. The colors make me so happy. I just love these colors for Valentine's. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. I stacked up all of the hearts. I backed them with some solid cardstock. I added some twine. I did pick up that twine from Dollar Tree. However, you can find it at Michael's as well. So check that out. The charms are all from Amazon. The beads are from an IG shop. Her name is Sparkling Ghoul Vanessa. Those were a free gift from an order that I made, I believe, last year. And so I added some stickers to the inside, since you can't really embellish the inside because of the bulkiness. The little gatefold will not close if you do that. So I love that I have lots of stickers. Lots of stickers to use for this tag, pocket tag. So I just love it. So that is the large one. The next one is the smaller one. Tell me which one you like best, as far as the pink one or the blue one. I think I'm going for the blue and pink. The large blue one is so cute. I just love it. So here's the smaller one in pink, and it's backed by pink as well. And same deal as the large one, just open it up with some seam binding. You can see there's a pocket inside. The sides of that pocket are not glued. You don't have to glue them. It's such a cute little tag. I just love it. And here are my miniature embellishments. These are minis. I want to show you the difference in size. So I did use the hearts, a die that came with the die set. So I just love it. Anyway, I also added some sentiments. The stickers came in the Simple Stories collection. And these charms are so cute. They're little keys with hearts on them. Also from Amazon. Such a cute little charm. I just love how these turned out. Very first time making these ice cream embellishments. And I hope you like them too. Putting them down to show you the inside of this. So I did layer it up with stickers just so it's not so plain, and the charm as well. Cute. Added a bit of lavender, the only bead in lavender, and done here. So this almost concludes the video. I'm just about done here. In a minute, I'm going to show you what I received yesterday for my design team package, some new dies that just came in, and I'm excited to share with you as well as craft with them. So here we go. We're going to start off with the wavy tag set die. It comes with 6 pieces. You get the banner as well as a layering piece for each one, 3 different sizes. And let's see what we can create with this in the next few videos. I wonder what we can do with this, but it's such a cute die. The next die is heart circle nesting die. It comes with 6 pieces, and you get 3 of the doilies and 3 of the circle dies for a layering piece. Next die is this 3D mailer box die set. It comes with 16 pieces. I can't wait to make this one. I'm so glad I received it. And it's such a cute 3D box. I've already seen others make it. If you'd like to see that as well, follow the hashtag. This concludes the video, you guys. I will see you in the next video.